In this video tutorial, we are going to be reviewing the ButterflyMX panel display buttons. Now, it's important to note that not all ButterflyMX panel displays may look like this. The first button we're going to be discussing here is the Leasing Button. When you click on this button here, this will put you directly in touch with somebody from the leasing office, where they can then give you access into the building. The next button is our directory. Now, when you click on the directory, this is where you will find all the tenants who live in the building. You can scroll through the directory here to locate the tenant, or use the search bar up here to type in the tenant's name to quickly find them. Now, once you have found the tenant's name that you're trying to reach, you're going to click here, and you will have three different options. You can call the tenant, send the tenant a text message, or leave them an audio message right there from the ButterflyMX panel. The next button here is the delivery button. So this is where package carriers or vendors will use this button here to access the building. When you first click on the button, it's going to ask if you have a pen. If you were not given a pen, you're going to simply click on no. And from there, you can call the tenant directly to let them know that there is a delivery there. If you were supplied a pen, you're going to click yes. You're going to enter the 5-digit pen given to you. Click OK. That will release the door and give you access into the building. Now, the next button on the panel here is the virtual key button. So if you were sent a virtual key, you're going to click here. You're going to take the QR code that you were sent, hold that up to the panel camera, and align it in the box here. Once you have aligned the QR code inside of this box, that will release the door to the building and give you access. The last button here is door pen. So if you are a tenant or a guest, now the first thing you must enter is the unit number of the tenant that you are visiting. Click next, and from there you're going to be entering the 4-digit PIN to access the building. Click OK. And now the door has been released. And that is going to cover the ButterflyMX panel display.